The difference is most Americans are drinking dead water, and what they drank is living water. That's why he gave that reaction, and that's why nobody understands it. Let's talk about dead water. Really, really interesting. Comes up a lot, and it's not just in the United States of Yeehaw land, yeah? It's not just you. It's most developed countries have chlorinated tap water. In my opinion, chlorinated tap water is dead water. Why? Okay, so naturally occurring water, natural mineral spring water, is unchlorinated because there are no bacteria in the water. So tap water has bacteria in the water, and therefore chlorine is added to the water to kill the bacteria. If you take a bottle of natural mineral or spring water, you leave it in sunlight, the water eventually will react and it will turn green because the water is alive. It's a living organism that hasn't been killed by the chlorine like it has in tap water because there's no bacteria in natural mineral or spring water. So that's dead water number one. Dead water number two, in my opinion, is water with no minerals. Water with no minerals is dead water. It's no good for the human body. It's no good for our brain. We need the minerals to keep us going and to keep us ticking. So distilled water is another form of dead water that we all need to be aware of. Now there is a third type of dead water, and this is actually the real type of dead water, and it's a fishing term for saline content of water. When you get seawater, you get fresh water, and then you get dead water where the water hasn't mixed. And that's actually the true sailing definition of dead water. It's a fascinating conversation. Awareness is everything. And just remember one thing that I think sums it up. The only reason your tap water smells of chlorine is to kill the bacteria that are in that water. And in my opinion, at that point, it kills everything in that water, as opposed to natural mineral or spring water, which is a living organism which will react in sunlight, which is why you don't leave it in sunlight unless you want it to look like the Incredible Hulk and turn green. I suggest you don't do that. It's a brilliant question. Yeehaw, love it, brilliant, sharing passion, knowledge, information.